Hey everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. Today I wanted to kind of show you this key that I ordered, and I'll show you kind of what it's going to look like when it's on. I'm not going to actually put it on, but I'm going to show you what it looks like because it's, it'll look the same once I put it on. But this is the key fob for the Polestar 2. This is roughly a $70,000 car, and this key fob is just a joke. I mean, it's first world problems, but it doesn't look good. It's like really cheap plastic. It just looks like something you would give a baby, as a toy key. It works good, but it just doesn't feel substantial, and it feels like if I drop it, it's gonna break. So I ordered this key from Amazon, and let's take a look at it. It's a key fob cover. They're not cheap. They're $50. You just look it up, Polestar 2 key fob cover. There's a couple different brands. I got the one that says generic. It had 6 reviews. I think there's one with 11 5-star reviews. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up here and see what it is. Oh snap! There's the Thor's hammer lights on the Polestar. There's the directions. Okay, now let's open it up and see. Oh snap, son! Look at that. Oh, okay, yeah. So that goes on the case, or on the key. Let's see here. Oh, it's even wrapped in plastic right now. So I gotta peel that plastic off. Sorry, I'm like doing this one-handed. There's the back. It feels like my original Volvo key, like the weight of it anyways. And it looks like you get a little good luck charm here with it. I don't know what that is, but looks like some Chinese symbols or something. The little good luck ring. Yeah, so that's the key, and I'll post another video once I have it all put together. Thanks for watching.